Organizations don't lose money because equipment fails. They lose money because leaders fail to build reliability into the system. If you're aiming for leadership roles in maintenance, operations, or asset management, passing the Certified Reliability Leader exam from the Association of Asset Management Professionals proves you can align people, processes, and assets to drive long-term performance. In this session, we'll work through real exam-style practice questions that sharpen leadership judgment, so you pass the exam and apply it immediately. Let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following is among the 3 factors the desired function of an asset is based upon? A. Financial consideration. B. Employee training. C. Inherent reliability. D. None. Correct answer. C. Inherent reliability. Explanation. The correct answer is C. Inherent reliability. An asset's desired function depends on what it is designed to achieve. Inherent reliability is built into the asset through its design, materials, manufacturing, and installation quality. While finances and employee training are important, they do not determine the asset's technical capability. In CRL asset management, many performance outcomes are established before the asset begins operation, making inherent reliability the key factor in achieving its desired function. Question number 2. What is the typical annual percentage of holding cost of a $2 million inventory? A. 20%. B. 30%. C. 40%. D. 60%. Correct answer. B. 30%. Explanation. The correct answer is B. 30%. Inventory holding cost is the annual cost of storing inventory, including capital, storage, insurance, handling, obsolescence, and administration. In maintenance, 30% is a commonly used estimate. For example, a $2 million inventory can cost about $600,000 per year to hold. CRL asset management emphasizes balancing spare parts availability with carrying costs to avoid unnecessary expenses. Question number 3. Aside from making minor adjustments, which of the following is usually included as a fundamental activity employed by operator-driven reliability? A. Electrical equipment resets. B. Performing lubrication tasks. C. Changing defective bearings. D. None. Correct answer. B. Performing lubrication tasks. Explanation. The correct answer is B. Performing lubrication tasks. In operator-driven reliability, ODR, operators perform basic asset care such as cleaning, inspecting, checking levels, reporting abnormalities, and simple lubrication tasks. Complex work like bearing replacement or electrical resets is typically handled by maintenance technicians due to the skills and safety requirements involved. ODR helps detect problems early, while allowing maintenance teams to focus on advanced repairs and reliability improvements. Question number 4. Which of the following is a best practice for the frequency of the testing of steam traps? A. Weekly basis. B. Biannual basis. C. Quarterly basis. D. None. Correct answer, B. Biannual basis. Explanation. The correct answer is B. Biannual basis. Steam traps should be tested every 6 months to detect leaks, blockages, or failures before they reduce efficiency or damage the steam system. Biannual testing provides a practical balance between maintenance effort and reliability, making it the recommended routine inspection interval in CRL asset management. Question number 5. The purpose of the Asset Management Strategy or Strategic Asset Management Plan, SAMP, is to A. Define the long-term strategy for asset maintenance across the organization. B. Define the long-term strategy for delivering value from assets to achieve organizational objectives. C. Define the long-term strategy for delivering asset upgrades and overhaul across the organization. Correct answer, B. Define the long-term strategy for delivering value from assets to achieve organizational objectives. Explanation. A strategic asset management plan, SAMP, defines how assets will deliver value and support organizational objectives throughout their life cycle. It aligns asset management activities with long-term business goals. Why not others? A, focuses only on maintenance, which is just one part of asset management. C, upgrades and overhauls are life cycle activities, not the overall strategy. Key point. A SAMP provides the long-term strategy for managing assets to maximize value. Reliability leaders are trusted with millions in assets and operational risk. Passing the AMP Certified Reliability Leader exam shows you can. Influence culture, drive sustainable performance, connect maintenance to business outcomes. Don't rely on experience alone. Use CertBoosters practice questions to sharpen leadership judgment, reinforce core principles, and walk into the exam ready to pass with confidence. Start practicing now via the link given in the description below, and step into the reliability leadership role your organization needs.